Hey guys, welcome to the Moultrie Forever. Welcome to the Moultrie Forever. We're gonna be making a big slime. So let's get started. Moultrie forever, we in this together. Moultrie forever, we face any weather. Moultrie forever, we make each other better. Moultrie forever, we in this together. Moultrie forever, we face any weather. Moultrie forever, we make each other better. You will need a gallon of glue, 2 bottles of contact solution, shaving cream, and also food coloring. And I have my best friend, Parker. Hi. Alright, so now I'm about to pour in the glue. This is so big, guys. Oh, got all the glue in. So, Parker, what color do you want?
I want red.
I want blue. That makes purple. Let's open it up. And the shaving cream. Oh. And contact solution. And now we mix it with our hands. This hurts. This is cool, guys. Y'all should have a parent with you. And
Really, this tickles.
look at my hands, guys. I
So-
added some
some
more food coloring, and it's turning purple. Alright, guys, I love slime. Do you guys love slime? If y'all love slime, comment down below. Alright, guys, so we had to use 2 bottles of saline solution and the whole thing, and shaving cream. Oh, and I dropped it, but oh my gosh, I got it all on my clothes. I hope my parents don't whoop me, guys. Moms, it's okay, because it comes off in the washing machine. So guys, you see how it's coming off? Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed me and my friend making this huge slime. So make sure you subscribe to the Moultrie Forever channel, and if you don't know how to spell it, I'll spell it for you. MOULTRIEFOREVER, and give it a big thumbs up.
Yep, a big thumbs up.
Bye.